Sabaidi, hello everybody. Today I gonna make some mee kati. Mee kati, they're similar like kapun, okay? But mee kati we use this kind of noodle, like pho noodle, okay? And I gonna show you all my ingredients today and everything with the pork today because mee kati you have to use the pork. It's not chicken, okay? And you can use chicken if you want, but I never use the chicken. My aunt always use the pork. And I'm gonna show you step by step what I have in here. Clean about 10 minutes. Then after that you take it out from take out the yucky one. Clean with the cold water, guys, okay? Clean them out. Good. This bone I'm gonna make a soup. Okay? Too much fat is not good. Okay, I got a clean bone. Clean with the hot water, boil with the hot water and maybe 10 minutes and take it out the drain with the cold water like I show you. And I have some pork belly, ground pork, and coconut milk, tamarind paste, soybean paste, sugar, MSG, peanut, red onion, and this one is red curly paste, lemongrass, and lime leaf, galangal, and yellow mung bean. I have egg. Everybody, I'm gonna add some galangal, lime leaf, and lemongrass to the pot, okay? Then after that, I'm gonna add the pork bone into the pot soup, okay? Into the pot soup, like this. If you have a bone like this, it's more flavor, you guys. And cover a little bit. Okay guys, come check with my soup part, okay? See a little bit boiling now. And I'm gonna add some pork belly. Pork belly you don't have to cook, okay? Just add to the pot like this. Maybe this part too small. I'm gonna add some ground pork now. Ground pork you can saute with the tamarind paste, or you can make a ball and dump in here, okay? And whatever you like, depend from yourself. But I'm gonna make a little bit ball, the ball like this, and put in the pot soup like this, you know. Make until everything cooked, then take it out. Take out the pork belly. It's cooked already. Then the ball, the meatball, pork ball, not meatball. Take it out. Now I'm gonna cut the pork belly. Okay. I'm not gonna make a big piece. I'm gonna cut small, like this. Cut small like this, bite size. A little bit fat. When you make a mee kati, have a lot of fat, but it's okay, you know. This one is not cooked. It's fine. You're gonna put in the pot anyway. Okay, come back with me a little bit. Let me done this one, and I'm gonna show you how to make the paste. Okay. Okay, this one is done. Okay. I'm gonna put in here. ตำให้มันแตกโอเคตำให้มันมุนตำแบบนี้ให้มันมุน and take it out from here. Everybody, I'm gonna show you how to make the paste, okay? The first thing I'm gonna put in that red onion first. 1 bowl of this, the red onion. Okay, 1 cup or 1 bowl. It depends from how you like. Okay, but I like a lot. The red onion is good. Smell more flavor. Tastes better too. And you saute the onion until golden brown. Then you add some red curry paste. Okay, I just do it really easy and simple for you. This one is ready. I'm gonna add some red curry paste. I don't use the paprika, okay? I use only the red curry paste. That's it. After add the curry paste, you have to mix. Medium heat, okay? Add this is salt, 2 teaspoons, and MSG teaspoon, and I add some sugar in here, like 2 tablespoons, and mix. That part is boiling. Keep saute a little bit until coconut milk, and mix again. Kenบอกตาแซ่บพี่น้อง look yummy, right? Just about 5 minutes and turn off the heat. I'm gonna take it out all the herb in here. I'm gonna take them out all because I don't wanna everything in here. I just wanna take it out. Add some more water. Add more sugar, okay? Mi kati, you have to have a lot of sugar. 2 tablespoons of this. Salt. Salt is more MSG. 2 tablespoons of MSG. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna add some pork belly into the pot. Okay. Oh my god. And after that, I add some ground pork. Burnในหม้อนี่นะ the big part เป็นตะย่านบ่ it's too big but it's okay, see it is boiling now. Yummy. I add more brown sugar because I need more sweet. Coconut milk. I use the maple, okay? 1 can, more than enough because you don't need too much coconut milk. Mung bean, the bean สีเหลืองนะถ้วยหนึ่ง okay? Make a more flavor. This bean. After that, you add some peanut. More flavor, if you eat more stuff, And after that, I add some soybean paste, okay? Tablespoon of this. Full. If you add this, you don't need to add the shrimp paste, anything. This one is more flavor already. Okay. Depend you like, but I don't add tamarind paste. I'm gonna add some 2 tablespoons first, okay? This one is very sour. Taste. I need more, 1 tablespoon more the tamarind paste. Okay? I have a shrimp paste. I have a little bit. It's okay, you don't have to use if you don't want to, but I'm gonna use a little bit. See, that's all I have. I don't want to go store. You don't have to use this one, okay? But and when you add tamarind paste and bean, all those stuff in more flavor already, you don't need to use this one. I'm gonna mix egg. I add 4 eggs in here. Not really good. Let's take it out. Good ละ เห็ดมีกะทินี่นะ when we do like มีกะทิ is really really good, and I don't know why, maybe flavor from the tamarind or something like that. It tastes good, you know, or every time. See, เป็นตาแซ่บได้ Okay guys, I'm gonna add some egg. Let me check it out because I add egg already. See, wow, you guys look very yummy. This is mee kati, okay? After that, I'm gonna prepare for noodle and the vegetable, okay? This is noodle. This is mee kati. See? I put the yellow bean in 1 bag in here. Everything is very yummy, you guys, and I don't know. I hope you guys try some at home, okay? Because it's really good, really yummy. I love the mee kati a lot. Okay, guys, you have to follow me because I'm gonna make some noodle and vegetable, okay? And this is done, and I'm gonna let it sit here and got everybody so yummy. Don't forget to do that at home, okay? Okay, I'm gonna turn off the heat now. It's done. Gonna go prepare the noodle and the vegetable, okay? Let me taste again. I wanna make sure it's taste better, taste good. Hey guys, just follow me next video, okay? I'm gonna prepare for the noodle and vegetable.